Alright, so we're back, and here it is. So, I ran the wires. It's an extension, 24 pin extension, don't mind the tape. I just needed something to keep the wires from catching the side. I used the bracket that housed the airport card. Is my SATA cable. So it goes down into there. I don't have the Pico yet, that's my problem. So that's floating in there. I have room toward the back that I'm going to try to put the Pico in there, but I don't have it yet, so. And they've yet to return my emails or my phone calls. Very annoying. I don't know if they're on vacation or not. But so this is bent. As you can see, try to keep it as flush to this side as possible because boy, it is a tight fit. But thus far, it seems to be alright. I've actually had it. I was messing around with that case, and there must be something wrong with the inside. Something's jacked up because I spent forever. I got the pieces out and those tidbits. So there's the case. There's the other case. There's that. So handle, line up the power button to the power button. And we drop it right in there. Now look, we'll turn it to the side. Alright, so this is what worries me a little bit. Look at how close that fan. There's the wires. They are going to be tight. Tight. So, let me put you. See, you could. Oops, sorry. You can see how tight that is. Now it's in, and it's latched. And we push it. I just want to make sure that it latches. So it's all latched and good to go. Now it's in there. Now we'll turn it up. Don't mind the case. It needs some polishing. There, now it's in there. So, but the case needs polishing. I got some polish. Most of this is sticky stuff. I don't know what in the hell it is. See, look, oh yeah. So, but the case is, this one works. I don't know, I'll mess with the other one. I think one of the little stands are broke, or not broke, but bent, because it's not latching right, and it took me forever to figure that out. It was angering me. So, there's that. I left it open, for two reasons. I mean, the biggest reason is airflow. Man, it's tight. It's going to bring in air from the top or the bottom, but it needs airflow. If I put the I/O plate on there, it's going to cover it up, and that ain't going to breathe. Now the other thing too is like I talked about was putting this here with the original setup, but I can't cut that piece out because there's an opening on the original plate. It's the graphics card opening, and I'm looking for an original plate. Oh, there's one. There. So, see? So it's like, I can only cut out so much. There, that is lined up. Basically. So, I don't know. I was talking, Gordo and I were chatting earlier. It might have to go down here. There's a big open spot. The Pico, I'm thinking of sticking there. So why not put that there? Drill the hole that's the diameter of this. And then, you know, use the openings that are there already. If they line up. Which, oh man, it's going to be close. And then screw that in there. We should be good. I think we'll be good for once I get the Pico and all that. The biggest thing is being able to run it. I want to run it and see what the temperatures are, as I'm sure you guys want to know too. So, hold on. This is a pain in the butt. Okay, sorry. So, there's that. There's that. As you can see, like I said, hard drive, SATA cable. The power is right back here. That'll be when the Pico gets here. Now, the other thing that I'm going to try to incorporate is the touch button. I found a good guide. I should be able to get that to function with this. I hope. If not, we can utilize the original or the failsafe power buttons here, as I don't think they are mounted to the motherboard. If we go over here to our trusty cube setup, oh, look at that. There. That's the failsafe power button. It's a reset and power. Right inside there. So, if I can't get the touch button to work, or the touch sensor, then we use the buttons here. So we'll see. But so far, there it is. It's an 8-inch 24-pin extension. So, alright, well, until next time.